so the military still owns it. That's
Yeah,
nice.
yeah.
Yeah. Never heard about this island before I sailed here. How many people live on this island?
90.
90.
90.
90, wow.
Yes.
And there's children going to school here?
Yes, there is 12 child in the school now.
Yeah, I see you need a teacher, but I
Yes.
don't speak Danish, unfortunately.
You can learn English.
You need more children, yeah.
Yes, there are only 12 now, and next year there will 2 will go out, so 10 not come a new.
Do people own their own houses, or is this the state?
No.
They rent.
Everything is the military.
Military, okay.
Yeah.
Is that why I cannot fly my drone?
Yes.
What a pity. Never heard about this island before I sailed here.
Okay.
Bornholm I heard about, but never Kristiansand. Was there ever a war here? Did the Swedish?
No, there was when they make this island.
Yeah. English?
English come, and there was a little bit, but they take it away.
Okay. Yeah.
So
The Kristiansand island is very tiny, small and very cute. It has a lot of old stone buildings. It was very calm and very cozy there.
Look at my arm. That's where we're heading. We need mizzen, we need mainsail, and we need the full Genoa.
Moja kochaneczka za innego poszła.
We were in a Polish city called Władysławowo, which was like a big harbor, but mainly a touristic place in the north of Poland. We then left in the evening and we went along the Polish coast just to see if there were nicer places.